Good?
Yep.
All right. We are doing a second repair on another slope approved for repairs at 2073 Shadow Bluff Court. Nationwide claim 335998GQ. This is the front slope, which is the southern exposure. This is one shingle approved for repair with the hinge line crease due to wind. This is the 3 tabs of the shingle. Again, this is a very brittle shingle, so going to be very careful with removing this. So again, to get this course out of place, you will need to take the nails out of this course and this course to unfasten the shingle. You can see the current condition. There's no damage to these. It is just normal age related to it. So you can see the granules starting to fall off while loosening up these shingles. See, I'm trying to not lift this shingle past a 45-degree mark, trying to get these nails out of place. Only 2 nails in that shingle. So trying to get this nail out of place, there is already a tear from the brittleness of the shingle. You can see here. So this has already failed the repair. We'll be using a compatible shingle, again, like the other slope. This is a 36-inch wide shingle, should be a 5-inch exposure to match. Again, like the last video, the roof snake will lift this shingle past a certain degree that we got the nails out. So you can refer back to earlier in the video. The shingle was about half the degree to it is now with the roof snake. As you can see again, similar to the previous slope, there is already a hinge crease from the repair, cause of granular loss. There is mat transfer. There is damage to the actual shingle from brittleness. In no way, shape, or form, this is a repairable roof, as again, fail number 2 on a different elevation.